You probably clicked on this video to find ways to improve. So I'm going to tell you some of the basics that you need to learn to actually start improving. Let's get to it. You may be wondering, Willie, why should I listen to you? Well, me personally, I've hit Unreal multiple times. I've switched from controller to keyboard and actually shown improvement within 2 months. And I'm telling you right now, these are the basics that you need to know as a Fortnite player. And honestly, if you want to actually start improving, these are the best basics that you need to know. Alright, tip number one, and it's the most basic tip, like I said, and everyone says it, but no one wants to do it. You need to warm up for at least 20 to 30 minutes, guys. That is how you're gonna stay consistent, and that's how you're gonna show your best skill, guys. I'm telling you, you have to hop on the game, and then you literally have to free build, edit, crosshair placement, piece control, all for 30 minutes at least, or like 20 to 30 minutes, bro. 'Cause I'm telling you, me before I used to think I'm like the best player in the world and I didn't need to warm up. Like not the best player, but I thought I was really good, so and I didn't need to warm up, right? But then I started getting better and better and I noticed that I wasn't showing my like full potential. Like why am I not like doing what I did the last day or like the day prior to that? And it was because I never warmed up. And like just because I never warmed up, I never stayed consistent. I honestly really became more and more bad at the game because I was losing consistency. But then I noticed that if I hop on free build for a couple like minutes, like 10 minutes, and I do like piece control drills for like another 10 minutes, I literally get like my consistency back and I literally improve more and more. And like over time, the more I do it, like the better I'm gonna be at it. So it's just consistency at that point. And that's why I say that this is the most important tip of them all, because warming up and doing all this, like crosshair placement, piece control drills, like all that, bro, I'm telling you. Alright, so for tip number two, aim training. This will literally help you with your crosshair placement, your tracking, everything, guys. Aim training is the best thing for you to do to improve. I recommend this map right here, Clicks Aim Trainer. It's like an old map, but I'm telling you, close up here on the screen if you want to play it. I'm telling you, this is one of the maps that I use to actually improve on my aim and like my not my piece, but my crosshair placement. What I did was I did this. You can do it for 5 minutes, 2 minutes. I'm gonna do free play real quick. Let me just grab the gun that he gives me, click start, and just go at it. Like, just do this, bro. Like, if you ever don't have like no money's on, or like you just want to play Fortnite, but you just don't know what to do this, guys. Practice your aim, or like free build or something, guys. Cause I'm telling you, it's better that you do something consistent than just oh, I'm gonna do this today, this tomorrow. No, guys, consistency is key. You could do aim training for 15 minutes. You do piece control, free builds for like another 15, and there you have your warm up set. 30-minute warm up, and you have a set. You might play a little bit rough for the first game, but like after a couple games, I'm telling you, you're gonna get better and better, and like you're gonna see a bunch of improvement. That's enough of this one. Let's go to the next one. This tracking, and I recommend Sentry switch long. You can pick up the SMG. I'm just gonna use this pistol, and then just do tracking. I hit the bot like at least once every time. Yeah, there's supposed to be tracking. It's like when they shot me, and then the last one that you want to do on here that I did is sentry tracking. Here I'm actually gonna grab the AR. You can use the pistol or the AR, and like you just want to track it. You just want to track it. Keep your crosshair on them at all times. Like yeah, guys, I'm telling you, that is like one of the best things you can do. So now let's go on to tip number three. Tip number three is one tip that a lot of people do and don't do. So in the competitive aspect, you want to do VOD reviews. Going back into the game that you had and check what I did right, what I did wrong, what I need to improve, what I need to change. It can help you a lot. But a way that if you don't want a VOD review, if you don't play comp and you don't want a VOD review, one way to improve is by watching pros. Pros like Clicks, Higgs, Kanata, like all the big pros that are like fraggers, IGLs, depending on what you play or like the style that you want to play. I'm telling you, you can learn a lot from their gameplay. You can watch their gameplay for fun, but honestly, I'm telling you, people like Kanata put tips and tricks out there that you can watch, and they actually help you a lot. So I'm telling you guys, watch pros. They will help you improve a lot. Alright, for tip number 4, this is a really important tip as well. Do 1v1 build fights, guys. I'm telling you, it will help you a lot. Fighting people that are way better than you at the game or somewhat a little bit better than you can help you improve a lot. Because if you fight people that are bad, like actual AIs and pubs or anything like that, I'm telling you, you will develop an ego, and that ego will get you killed. The reason that most people think they're good at the game is because they beat bad players. But the way that you know you're improving is when that player that was better than you, say that he 5-0s you, if you end up getting one kill on him and making it 4-1, you're improving because you're actually thinking about what you're doing and you're actually like fighting someone that's better than you and beating them. I'm telling you, 1v1 build fights, realistics, those are the best ways of improving your solo gameplay and your fighting and your like thinking and everything. For tip number 5, this I feel like is one of the best tips I could give somebody. Do solo build rank reload, duo rank reload. Any type of reload will literally help you. Even normal reload, non-ranked reload will help you improve. Because this keeps you on literally consistent fighting, thinking about how to take the fight. Do I take the fight? Do I run away? Where do I, how fast do I need to loot? I need to get I need to get to the best spot in zones, especially with this new rank system, how they added these extra ranks. I feel like endgames have been more stacked for people, and it actually like gives you a feeling of how competitive could be or how really stacked endgames can be. I'm telling you guys, rank, reload, solos, duos, trios, squads, whatever it is, reload is the best way to practice and improve your fighting, your rotates, and everything else, like I said. So, guys, that's all the tips and tricks I have for you. It's up to you guys if you want to listen to me, but I'm telling you, from going from controller to keyboard and improving within 2 months, I would say that these tips actually really help a lot. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below in the comments if you find these tips helpful. And also, in the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to find some good sensitivity on keyboard and mouse. Alright, peace.